All right, we're going to make our own web server with Node.js. So this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to download and install Node.js. If you don't have it already installed, I will help you get it installed so we can complete this lab. All right, so mine is already installed, and I can show you the version. That's the version I'm running right now. And we're going to just go ahead and skip to part 2 to create the basic web server. So I'm going to right click on the desktop. I'm going to say new. I'm going to make a new folder. And I'm going to call that Node Web Server. Enter. All right. So now in the command prompt, I need to change to that directory. So I'm going to do cd desktop backslash, and then I'm going to hit no tab, and auto completes it. There we go. So now I'm in there. Now I need to create an open notepad so I can paste my code in. So I'm going to type in notepad, and I'm going to call this server.js. And it's going to open notepad, and it wants me to save it in that directory. So I'm going to click yes. I'm going to just copy this code here, Control C, paste it here, change where it says your name to my name, Mr. Beard. All right, then I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to close it. All right, cool. So now to run this as a web server, what I'm going to do is just type into the command prompt node server.js. All right, so now you can see that my server is running, and it's the local host or the IP address, and then the socket of 3000. So I'm going to open up another command prompt window just to get my IP address. Go IP config, and I am wireless, so currently I am going to be 192.168.1.244. So I'm just going to copy that, Control C, and then X out of that. And then I'm going to open up a new browser window. I'm going to say http:// Control V, and then do :3000. And there we go. There is my web page that I created from that code, and there it is. I put my name in here. So that's going to be the lab. It's going to be pretty simple and pretty fun. So the challenge is to make other web pages, to make other sites, or to play with it, see how far you can go with it, and just have fun. Now, when I'm done and I want to close this out, I'm just going to do a Control C to cancel it. All right, cool. So now it's done. Now it's not running anymore, so I can't access it. But what I want you guys to do is see if you can open up your neighbor's web page, and then from there, and then if you want to add different things and change the coding, that is absolutely fun. It is yours to play with. All right, hope you enjoyed the video.